myself, Dr. Mauli, and you are?
Myself Shatakshi.
Okay, so I am here for your head and neck examination. So I need your consent and permission to touch your head, hairs, and face parts for the examination. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with inspecting the skull. Next thing I'm gonna do is palpating your skull. I will look for any tenderness or any mass if it's present on your bone structure. There is no any type of tenderness or mass on the bone structure of your head. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just looking at your overall face. I'm just looking at your eyes, eyelids, sclera, your lips, for if there is present of unusual symmetry, but there is none. So I'm just gonna check if there is any tenderness beneath your eyebrows. Then I'm just gonna check for your maxillary bone. Next thing I'm gonna feel your temporal artery. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is can you look down? Can you look up? Can you look down? Can you look up? Okay. The next thing we will do is your visual acuity test. So I'm just gonna give you this eye chart, and you have to read this last line by covering your one eye. Can you read that?
DEFPOTES.
Can you do same with another eye?
DEFPOTES.
Okay. Next thing we are going to do is checking your visual fields. So I'm just going to show you fingers. So you have to tell me how many fingers I'm showing you.
5.
Okay. Now,
3.
okay, you have to tell me when you are able to see my hands. I'm just going to move from here to the center.
9.
Okay. So you have to cover one eye and you have to tell me the back again. Just cover one eye. Okay. Next thing we are going to do is oculomotor activity. So you have to follow my finger. Okay. Next thing we are going to do, you have to just look at my finger. Okay. So another thing we are going to do is we are going to check your reflex, corneal reflex. I will just use this torch. Okay. Next thing we are going to check is your ears. So I will just palpate your ear and I will look for if there is any tenderness. So is that okay with you?
Yeah.
I'm just using this otoscope to see inside your ear. Okay. So we are going to use this tuning fork for the your hearing test. So after striking it, I'm going to put this on your head. You have to tell me if you are able to hear. Are you able to hear? Okay. Next thing we are going to do is I'm just going to strike this tuning fork, and I'm going to put this on your behind your ears. On mastoid process, you have to tell me if when you are no longer able to hear. Okay?
Now.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Now.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
Okay. Everything is perfect and fine. Okay, next thing we are going to check is your notes. I'm just going to look into your notes with this otoscope. Can you just see here? Okay. Then another thing we are going to do here is we are going to use this tongue depressor. So I'm just going to look for your throat, your lips, and oral cavity. Can you open your mouth? Little more. Can you look up? Okay. Next thing we are going to do is I'm going to check your lymph nodes. I'm going to palpate your lymph nodes. Okay. So can you just look upside? I'm going to check the structures of your neck. Is that okay with you? Okay, everything is fine. So after this, I'm just gonna give you a cup of water. You have to take one sip of water. I'm just gonna check the movements here. I'm just gonna check for the thyroid. Is that okay with you? Okay, so I just want you to take one sip of water. I'm gonna check the movement of your throat, thyroid. So just take a sip of water when I will tell you. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. So we are finished with your head and neck examination. So do you have any type question for me?
No.
Okay, I will let you know. Thank you.